How to make money on Upwork as a Google Ads specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the Get Started button to proceed to join in as a freelancer. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer, apply as a freelancer, and here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going just to log in. I've already created my account. So here, continue with email, enter the password, and then login. Let's enter the usual information, but first let's go back to start from the first step. This is the last step, as you can see, 10 out of 10. So let's start from the first steps. And this is the first step, so let's get started. And here you have a question and you have 3 answers to go through. Make sure to choose the right answer for your situation or the answer that fits your situation. And after that, click on next to proceed to answering this other question. What's your biggest goal for freelancing? Choose the answer that fits your situation as well. Then click on next. And here you have 3 options to choose from. If you would like to find opportunities yourself, package my work for clients to buy, open to contract to hire opportunities. So for me, I'm going to choose all of them. Then click on next to create a profile. So here, if you either want, you have 3 options to choose from. If you want to import your profile from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you have it in a file in your desktop, or if you want to fill it out manually, which is what I'm going to do. It will take less than 5 minutes even. It's not even 15 minutes. So here, start a new profile. Enter your skill. And click on next to add your previous work experience in here. After that, you add your education as well. Same process, school, degree, field of study, and so on. Then you proceed to adding the languages that you can speak and write. And English is a must in this platform. You cannot work in the platform without knowing how to write and speak in English. And here you can choose your level in English. For me, it's conversational. And here you can add other languages. I can add 2 more. My native language, which is Arabic, and a language I studied in school, which is French. And here, choose your level in them. Native, basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here you can enter maximum 15 skills. And here we have some suggested skills to choose from without going to look for other skills. So let's choose the one that we can do. Advertising, and that's enough. Then click on next to write an overview. So here, write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, if you want to make this easier, just go to ChatGPT and enter, I'm a Google Ads specialist, give me a bio for my Upwork profile, and you will get a very legit bio for your profile. You will just need to add some personal information and make some adjustments to it, and then you will be able to copy and paste it into your bio. So for me, I'm just going to take this man's bio. I don't want to go to ChatGPT, that will make the video very long. Then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a service in here. Let's see what we can find in these services. So we have sales and marketing. So we have digital marketing, marketing, PR and brand strategy. And but let's go with lead generation as well. Let's choose those three, and then that's enough. Then click on next to set your rate. Here let's go with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here add your location in these fields, and for the profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind, guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, I'm going to show you how you can improve it by this method. So let's go to, that's not what I wanted to go with. Here I wanted to log out from my profile and to go to the main page, and here to go to the search box. And basically the idea is that we're going to search for our competitors, see the highest earner amongst them or the highest earner in our category, and we're going to get inspiration from his profile, see how much he earned, how much is he getting paid hourly, how is he talking about the skill that he's doing, the other skills that he's offering, and all of that, and try to get inspiration and imply that to our profile. So I think the highest earner in this category is the $500,000, which is this one. He gets $30 per hour, and he's doing Facebook ads, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google ads specialist, and SEO expert as well. So you just need to go to his profile and read his bio and recognize what is he doing differently, recognize the things that are working for him, and try to imply that in our profile. And if you want to get, or if you want to find work easily in the platform, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and enter your skill in this search box, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for the same skill like the one you're doing, and you can apply for these jobs and see if you'll get picked for the job. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.